What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be discussing rim error with you guys to see if you have any of these potential coins because they are selling for good money right now. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, as you can see, I have a 1980D right here, and it has a lamination error for one. It also has a repunch D, and then it has a rim error, and it's very, very obvious if I can zoom in. Check that out, guys. That is absolutely crazy. And then I have another coin right here that also, it's a 1982, and it also has a rim error. So yeah, guys, now I want to show you guys some coins that sold on eBay, and you might potentially be able to sell your rim error coins for this amount. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy hunting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.